Hi guys, this is Ashad Roshan. My project is an IoT-based fire detection system. Is designed with comprising sliding windows with Wi-Fi module, temperature sensor, vibration sensor, gas sensor, LDR sensor, motor driver and buzzer. The Wi-Fi module is powered by a 12-volt supply and various sensors are used to monitor temperature, gas leakage and vibrations within a house. In case of fire, the system triggers a change in PDLC glass from transparent to black and sends a notification to an Android app through a fire-based server. The system activates a relay and a water pump to extinguish the fire, and it can also notify the homeowner if an unauthorized entry is detected. Motor drivers are used to control the windows, enabling them to open if a fire occurs, and the water pump is activated based on the fire sensor's reading. Let's see my project's working model.